Hey guys, welcome back to Bearded Lumber. As always, Matthew and I appreciate you tuning in. Today, we're over at our EG100 edger. We've got some maintenance work to do on it. Nothing real drastic, but stuff's got to be done. So give us just a minute. We'll be back and get to work on it. Hey guys, welcome back. Like I say, today's not overly complicated. Our EG100, you see it in all our videos. We use the snot out of it. It's run thousands and thousands of board feet through it. Couple recommendations I got for this machine is you may want to adjust your grease fittings. We got a good video on that. Go back and check it out. Keep you several sets of blades. We got two over there, one Matthew did the other day, the other one's sharp. We got a sharp set on it. Buy one of those cheap sharpeners from Harbor Freight, sharpen your own blades. I can sharpen, once I get the machine kind of set up, I can sharpen all three sets in about 10 minutes. Now they're not table saw quality sharp, but they're sharp enough for an edger. Save you a lot of money. That's why I got three sets. We'll dull them all three, and I'll take 10 minutes and sharpen them all, put them back on the wall, they're good to go. Belts. We got this thing, this belt runs the main shaft, and there's two belts on each side that turn each cutting head. Keep you some spare belts because they will wear out from time to time. Now, I've been meaning to order one of these and hadn't done it, and we got caught with our pants down last week. Matthew will show you here, this belt started to come apart. You can see here where it's chunking out. On this side and this side, it's got pieces missing. So it didn't break completely on us, but we also didn't use it. If you watched our last video, we edged a whole bunch of stuff on the sawmill, and this is one of the reasons, because the belt was going away. So I called Wood Mizer on Friday morning and ordered two belts. Got one hanging on the wall, got one in my hand, and they showed up yesterday evening, Tuesday. So thank you, Wood Mizer. Good quick service. Always keep your manual, because we had to get several people involved to find the right belt, because they have an electric, they have a gasoline motor belt, then they have a European motor belt times 2, and then they have an American 220 volt belt times 2. So I think I ended up having to call somebody that really knows their stuff on these and make sure we got the right belt. I sized it up there. It looks like it is appropriate, but always keep your manual for these reasons. But all we're gonna do is back the tension off the motor, slide it over. First thing I'm gonna do is reach over here and unplug it. Now, if you don't have a disconnect, a literal on and off switch, a plug-in serves just as well. Now, the machine has an off switch, but that just guarantees Matthew and I, neither one can accidentally do anything to hurt our fingers. Nobody wants to lose a finger. It's never a good experience. I know that for a fact. So, got our tools laid out. Pretty simple. There's 4 bolts that hold the motor. It's got a jam bolt here. It's got a jam bolt here. And we'll just basically slide it over enough to get the old one off and the new one on. I made that sound real easy. Now let's see if it actually is, okay?
This way. There you go, that's good enough.
Yeah. There you go. Okay, we got those loose. Now we're going to break loose our jam bolts. This one really won't have to move much. The one on this side will. Or if it'd be quicker, just take it out, Matthew, to get the belt on. You got to run that. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. We just took that off to save having to move it so much. There we go. That should do it. Thankfully, they left enough room to get it off. Yeah, you can see how bad this one looks. Yeah, it's been a good one. It's been around and around a lot of times. But we got a new one. Okay, there we go. Let me go ahead and, that should be enough to get it back in there. Yeah, not far. That'll work. Let's see, we're gonna make it longer, if anything. Okay, let me get the nuts and washers put back on this. Matthew can tighten it up. Put your finger on it so I can finish.
Okay.
Okay, whatever you're ready. Do the one you had your finger on. Okay, next one. Okay. Let's see here. Takes 2 wrenches because you got to be able to hold the bolt and turn the nut to make it get longer. There we go. Well, that's where we were at before, because there's the line. That's the original tension that other belt had on it, or where we stretched it to. It needs to be tight, because if you get a big piece of wood in here and this is loose, it'll start spinning and it will smoke your belt. We've actually done that a time or two. Right. Okay, I think I'm gonna be happy there. Put tape measure on it, make sure we're square. Okay. It's 5 3/16. 5 3/16. I'm happy there, Matthew. Tighten her back down. Oh, tape. One of those. We tightened the 4 main bolts up on the motor.
Where you going first?
See if you can get that one. That's always the worst one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. One more. There you go. Yep. That is it. That easy. Thank you, Wood Mizer. Okay, guys. As repairs go, that wasn't too bad. Last thing to do is plug it in, give it a test run, make sure it sounds right. Turn your safety back on. Turn it.
It is turned.
Oh, this one wasn't. Okay, sounds good. You see Matthew and I struggling. This thing's got two safeties. You got one here, and you got another one over there. And if you bump either one, it won't start. So, gotta have safety. Sometimes it's aggravating, but we can't complain about it. Now the belt is if you can see that, this was made in Poland, so I've never heard of that brand. BAO Power. It's listed as a B710. I did a quick Google search. Of course, it says Wood Mizer has them available. I didn't see them readily available anywhere else, but your Good Parts House could probably, if you give them this part number at B710, they can probably get it for you. Like I say, I should have had one a long time ago, just been procrastinating and getting around to it. So we got a new one on it, and we got a new one on the wall, so we should be good to go for some time now. Nothing, no flaw with the belt. We've owned it since November, December of 22. We've 2.5 years. It's been very reliable. The drive belts inside, we've had to replace those. So they take a lot of abuse shoving wood through there. But this one, we've smoked it a few times, put too big a piece of wood in there too fast, whatever, and it just, quit spinning. But can't complain. This is easy. I always tell people, if you're setting up your sawmill to be stationary, you need an edger. They make bigger, they make badder, and they make faster. But if you're running a 1 or 2 man operation, this is all you need, a little EG100. Now, if you're going to do wider stuff, maybe you're upgrading like we have to a bigger mill, going to do wider boards, then this is going to limit you, because we can only put 20 inches through the throat, and it's only got 2 movable heads. So it may be time you want to consider a 200, or is it 300 or 350? They make several different sizes, and they all have increasing price ranges to go with it. But for what Matthew and I do for the foreseeable future, this is what we're going to keep. If we got something big that's got to be edged, we know how to do it on the mill. That's a whole lot cheaper than another $40,000, $50,000 edger. But they are an integral part to the sawmill business. I couldn't imagine just trying to do production without one, because I can sit over there and take a flitch, or take a waste cut, take a flitch or 2, turn it over, waste cut, flitch 2. And when I turn around, all those boards are gone. Matthew's turned them into something usable, a dimensional piece of lumber that we can use. And once I get that cant down to a nominal dimension, whatever we're shooting for, 10, 8, 6, whatever, then I'm shooting for the bottom, cutting boards. And we're hoping the new mill will really help speed that process up. So that's going to do it today. We're not going to belabor the point here. There's not a whole lot. It's just maintenance got to be done. Big shout out to Matthew and Solomon doing our videos. Don't forget Solomon's channel, Third Beard Fishing. Wood Mizer, can't say enough good things about the whole outfit. We don't deal with the whole outfit. We deal with our local dealer, Joe Whitley, over in Carolinas, Wood Mizer in the Carolinas. If you need anything, give him a call. We deal with Joe Maine directly. If you need blades, equipment, edgers, sharpeners, setters, kiln, whatever, give him a call. He'd be glad to help you out. If he can't give you what you need, he's in contact with all the Wood Mizer people. He can get you in touch with somebody that'll help you. Don't forget our website's up and running, beardedlumbernc.com. If you're looking for some hat swag, I think they turned out good. We've sold a few here and there, but that's going to do it for today, guys. As always, we appreciate each and every one of you watching. We'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.